Hi everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off smart replays and Instagram DMs. So that option is too cool to be used, to be honest. But if you want to turn off smart replays in Instagram, here how you can do it. So first you just need to go into your Instagram app on your phone. Alright, and once you are in, you just need to go into your profile, and then right, and then you need to go to this three vertical lines on the top right side and click on them. Alright, once you are in, you just need to go into that section for professionals actually, and you just need to click on creator tools and controls. Tap on it. Alright, once you tapped on it, you just need to go into welcome message. Alright, and then you need to click here and to turn off your welcome message option. Okay, and here they ask you and they tell you that if you turn off the welcome message, the welcome message will no longer appear at the beginning of a chat with your account. So just click on turn off. Alright, and here there are no more replays on the DMs on Instagram, or I mean smart replays in Instagram DMs. So guys, that's how you can turn off smart replays in Instagram DMs. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your beloved ones. And bye bye. See you next video.